Hello friends, this is Shafi and welcome to my channel Shafi Technique. Friends, today in this video I'm gonna share you 5 best free video editing apps. They have all the editing tools that you need and there are no watermarks. This video helps you to know editing apps for your YouTube videos, YouTube shorts or Instagram reels. So try to watch this video till the end. So friends, the first app in my list is VITA. Friends, this editing app has all the editing tools from the basic level to the advanced level. This app is completely free. The interface of this app is clean and easy to use. This video editing app supports all types of ratios. This video editing app has many cool transitions, effects, filters, text effects and stickers. You can even download some stock videos and use it in your videos without any copyright issues. This app has everything that you need and you can easily turn off the watermark like this. You can save your video in high quality without losing any quality. Going to next, the second app in my list is VN Video Editor. Even this app is completely free. Even this video editing app interface is easy to use. This video editing app has all the basic editing tools and also some advanced editing tools like chroma key, keyframe, etc. Even though there are no bunch of transitions, effects, filters and text effects, it has some really good transition effects, filters and text effects. You can even save your video in 4K resolution and in 60 FPS. Friends, the third app in my list is Inshot. Well, this is one of the popular video editing app. This video editing app have all the basic tools. If you are a beginner to video editing or if you make more reels or shorts, then you are going to love this app. This app has some really good transitions, effects, filters, text effects and stickers. Even though this app contains a watermark, you can remove it by watching one ad. The good thing is, we can save our video in 4K resolution and even in 60 FPS. Overall for me, this is a best video editing app especially for those who create reels and shorts. Friends, fourth app in my list is Action Director. Friends, this video editing app was awarded as Editor's Choice. Even if you are new to video editing, you can easily start editing videos with this app. This app have all the basic editing tools and even some professional editing tools. You can even do audio mixing. This video editing app have all the basic transitions, filters, stickers and text effects. But if you want to save video without watermark or in 1080p, then you need to watch an ad. I think so it's not a big problem. Last but not the least app in my list is 𝗎𝙪𝙗𝐻. Friends, this video editing app is good alternative for Inshot. This video editing app will be useful for beginners and also for those people who create reels and shorts. There is no watermark and you can save your videos in 4K resolution and in 60 FPS. So friends, I think these are the best free video editing apps. If you find this video useful, give a like. If you have any doubts, then comment below. Make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind.